Okay, pulling the Gomez Adams. I've got boxes and boxes of this stuff, and if it's not the right scale or if I don't like it, whatever, this is what I do with the surplus. These fireworks are also a year old, so it might have some duds in here, but let's just see what a smoke bomb does. Of course, it should pour out lots of smoke. Well, that ain't a lot of smoke. That ain't much of a smoke bomb. Then I'll just have to put a second one in there. Maybe one of these will have some smoke. Oh, okay. Well, the barn has a pink fire. Not much of a pink fire. Yeah. Let's see what this does. I don't even remember what this does. I like that. Now, that was fun. These are some simple bottle rockets. I've taken the stick off of them. See if they like to do anything. Make them go around easier. No. Well, that was fun. I'll do that again. Yeah, I blew the door out. There's a bulge in the wall now. Here's a second bottle rocket.